What is cash flow statement? Is a statement that shows the flow of cash and cash equivalent during the period under cash flow are inflow, receipts, and outflow payments of cash and cash equivalent. Transaction that cash and cash equivalent are inflows of cash and cash equivalent, and transaction that decrease cash and cash equivalent are follows of the cash and cash equivalents. Cash and cash equivalent can include cash, bank, marketable securities. Cash inflows such the examples: cash sales, cash received against cash received and trade receivables, cash received for commission of royalty, insurance claim received, cash receivables from the sales of investment, non-current and current other than marketable securities, cash received from sales of fixed assets, cash received from sales of securities, loans and advances receipts, proceeds from issue of equity share, proceed from issue of preference share, proceed from issue of debenture. Cash outflow, cash purchases, cash paid against trade and royalties, operating expenses paid such as administration expenses, cash purchased investments, same as cash purchase of fixed assets, loan and advances given the loan and advances repaid, buyback of equity share for redemption of debenture, cash redemption of preference share. Second chapter. CFS are prepared according to accounting section 3, revised on CFCs. The standard required CFC to be prepared showing cash flow under 3 heads, namely cash flow from operating activity, cash flow from investing activity, cash flow from financing activity. Operating activity are principal, revenue, producing activities of enterprise and other activities that are not investing or financing activities. Examples: computer manufacturing, TV company, financing company. Generally result from business transaction and events the net profit or examples of cash flow from operating activities here for financial companies, non-financial companies, respect from sales of goods and services, receipt from royalties, fees and commission, etc., receipts from debtors and bill receivables, payment for purchases of goods and services, payment to creditors and bill payable, payment of wages and salaries, other payment in payment of refund of income tax unless these are identified with investings or financial activities. For financial companies, payment of purchase of securities, payment of interest on loan, received from sale of securities, dividend received on securities, interest received on loan granted, payment of salaries etc. to employees, payment of refund and income tax unless these are identified with investing financing activities.